Okay, I'm again really tired, but we are so I just want to play around with the Hugging Face JavaScript library and then try out a few models from their um, website. So let's see. Um, Using the it seems like we need a access token. Ah, no, okay, not. We're just rate limited without one. Um, okay, I guess that's fine for playing around. Then I will create an account after the video. But are there multiple? Okay, no, they are all in the inference um, package. What's the agents one? Okay, for that we need to have an account and access token. So let's start with this library for now and get some music. Mm, mm, mm. Okay, then let's go into a new. And my Chrome extension actually got approved, so that's nice. Let's add a new folder. A new folder. Mm, 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 mm. So terminal and npm init. Can we say bun init as well? Oh yeah, nice. And it actually installed TypeScript automatically? That would be nice. It did. Nice. Okay, from now on I will use always bun and can we do bun run index? Ooh! It actually has support for TypeScript, so we don't need Node.js. Okay, didn't know that. But that's nice. So then let's install the inference API. Bun add and then import the libraries in the code. Okay. Mm-hmm. And then let's try the stable diffusion one. Image to text. Then let's do that. Translation. And what's this image? I guess for the image we have to, translation and write image to file, bun at fs, import fs.promises.write file. Image, then the data as string, and that's currently a blob. Can we say array buffer? No. Blob. So argument of type blob is not assignable. Okay, can we array buffer? Is this a promise? So let's do await. And no. It has to be an array buffer view. Or a stream. So we can say stream. Okay. Bun run index. Bun run index.ts. Okay, this seems to be stuck somehow. So we have the translation. Mein Name ist Wolfgang und ich lebe in Amsterdam. Yep, that's correct. Just would be interesting if it always translates to German or if the model is always any to German or English to German. But I guess we can look that up, and let's the image. Okay. Image. What's image to image? Image to image does return a blob, but we already have a blob. Save image blob to fs. I don't know how you save an image. Nope, save image blob to file. Okay, actually like that. Isn't that what we did? So, alright, blob is the image then, and then let's say like that. This should work now. Run index.ts. Okay, we now got a JPEG. Ooh. Actually quite nice for an open source model. What was the input? Award-winning hero of a giant tortoise. Okay. So let's then look what other models we can play around with. Image to text, image to video. Image to video. What's the most liked one? It's the stable diffusion from Stability AI. Ooh, awesome. And then let's. What's the model name? How does that work? I guess you copy that, and then let's say const video, text to video does not exist. So we have speech recognition is nice. Text to image, text to. There is nothing with video. So, let's have a look at. If you go to text to image. Stable diffusion 2. So then it should work if you just put in the new model. This should still work, but then why isn't there a category for text to video? How can you use text to video? Use in interfaces, yes. So there is nothing with video. Huh. How would we then use this? Do you use it with inference endpoints? Inference endpoint. Const inference endpoint equals inference endpoint, and then it wants a, yeah, of course, new, and then it wants a endpoint URL. Can we get a endpoint URL? Okay, that's the stable diffusion text to image, right? And here, and the inference API does not support diffuser models yet. So, but can we use it with? Huh. Why did I want to use the endpoint? Okay, but then I want to at least try it. And I can't try it because, yeah, it's not supported by the inference API. Okay. And I've read the inference endpoint here, so that's why I want to use it, but it was for the wrong model. So then let's remove this. And negative prompt blurry. Let's have a look at the model details. So there is no info about a negative prompt. No. Can we somehow find what a negative prompt does? Maybe on the GitHub. Ah, that's the general stability AI account. Huh. Okay, but then we can play around with other models. Can we do dot image to text? And then you want, wait, a blob, I guess. And then, no. Okay. Image to text args. You want data, and data is a blob. Or an array buffer. So let's say this returns a buffer. Let's put in the... Can we put in the buffer? And it was not blob, it was data. No, so you're not happy about the buffer. Are you happy about that? Yes. So let's see. And I guess then let's do inference dot close. Okay, that's just Copilot. And now you are complaining. Please use spaces or endpoints. The model is too large to be loaded automatically. Okay, I guess so we have to somehow host it then, and for that we need an account, and with that an access token. And we had one viewer. Nice. I don't have the live chat open, but I might have a look now and then. So, how easy is it to create an account without me? I think I already have one. Ah, nice, okay. So, can we now... What was it? The image to text? No, it was the image to text, so... let's see, models. Image to text. Oh, and we didn't specify a... Can we say a model? Yes. Okay, and what if we define a model? Maybe that was just the issue. Let's take image to text, and one of the most popular ones, I think this one, but let's see, most downloads. Yeah, let's try this one. Does this work without a endpoint? Okay, this worked, and it says a small brown and a white bird with blue stripe. And that's completely wrong. It's a fucking tortoise, but actually I like this image. This looks like nice now. Not exactly what the prompt says, but the output, this is really weird. A small brown and white bird with a blue stripe. Brown, white, and blue stripe. It's everything but not the image. Why is it that random? Let's try another one. The Salesforce one looks good. Let's try this one. And I have to say, I like how easy it is to use models. This is quite nice to get a feeling for AI and to actually integrate it into your own projects. A close-up of a turtle with a yellow and blue shell. So, the image did not update. A close-up of a turtle with a yellow, yeah, and blue, I guess, shell. Can we say something like of a fighter jet cockpit mid-flight, like something index.js. A Rafet fighter jet flying in the sky with a man in the cockpit. Okay, so if it gets that from the image has to be somehow detailed. Okay. Okay, but yeah, I guess it's not that good in realistic photos. So what was the description? Let's actually see what's the most recently updated, most recently created. What if we try Inference API has been turned off for this model. Can we use it anyway in our code? I guess not. By that long time, I guess we are running into a timeout. Unknown error. And we didn't have response.ok, so probably a timeout, I guess. By the time it took. Okay. Then maybe this one. Nice image. But it looks quite promising. But it doesn't have the inference. Model is too large to load. Try the model to large endpoints. Okay, so for that we need a credit card. Okay, then we are paying, I guess, because we are actually hosting. Yeah, deployed on dedicated infrastructure, so we pay for the infrastructure cost. Yep, I don't wanna do that. But this is again nice if you are going into production or a more scaled application to have it kinda hosted in a managed way. And what else can we use? What's visual? What is visual question answering? Inference API is turned off. Can we have filters? Actually, can we have? Huh. Okay, so I might wanna install Python, since this is all optimized for Python, and then play around with a reinforcement learning model and agents, and just for fun feed it with a backtested trading strategy and see how it would perform. Because I guess this is something it can do very well on, since it's basically just finding patterns if you feed it with the right data. But I have the data, so yeah, but that's something I will do later today or tomorrow, or at least I will put it onto. I just have to look in what document am I in. Yep, this is nothing I wanted to show, so let's go into my topic brainstorm. And now we can say Python deep learning. Let's call it reinforcement. Reinforcement agents model. And then test on trading strategies. Okay. I'm somehow fine for now with playing around and thinking about ending the stream and then start another one working on the Chrome extension, since it got accepted. I actually can show. So we have the Chrome extension here. You can hide the YouTube recommendations, and the home feed is disabled. So if I would go to the home feed, I get redirected to the subscriptions, and the home button is removed. And the next feature would be to remove shorts here and here. So yep, I think I end the AI stream now, and maybe do another stream for the Chrome extension later.